All brick townhouse style HPR in the heart of Sango. Freshly painted, this unit has updated flooring in the main living area, kitchen, and dining areas. A half-bath laundry room combo complements the main level for optimal function. The second floor boasts 3 ample bedrooms. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bath with tub/shower combo, a walk-in closet and a separate linen closet. Below the main level is a full basement with single-car garage. The remainder of the basement area is suitable for finishing additional living space, but also serves as a bountiful storage area. Furthermore, this basement is fully submerged underground and only daylighted at the rear for the garage access, thus making it a safe haven for storms, tornadoes and natural disasters.